Hi guys, so I'm here today with look number 5, I believe, of my simple protective hairstyles, and basically me sharing like how I style my hair lately these days. So this is the Milkmaid twists from video number 4. I kept these in for 10 to 12 days, I believe, and now I'm going to be taking them down and untwisting them. And this would make for a really good stretched twist out, which I would then wear probably for another 2 weeks. In this case, my hair does have some gel on it, quite a bit of gel, so I'm not going to wear it for a full 2 weeks just because it has some gel in some places where it's matted down, and that's going to attract dust and dirt. But for right now, I'm taking out the twists, and I'm going to be really gentle with my hair because I don't want the parts that have a lot of gel on them to get damaged. So I'm basically untwisting my hair, and I probably didn't show it, but I have oil on my hands, and I'm going to smooth oil all over my hair and just separate it and try to make it look presentable, basically. Okay guys, so now that I have basically taken it down and kind of styled it how I want to wear it for today and applied a little edge control, a little gel, I'm going to be heading out, and this is basically almost 2 months. This is the 5th video, so this is 2 months of how I will just keep transitioning from one protective style to another style to another style, which is in general why I don't tend to make a whole lot of videos, because I'm doing styles like this and just being creative and coming up with different things. So I'll be back later with a lint check and some other requested videos. You guys enjoy your weekend.